actually mad excited right now. Like legit. Don't tell my parents. I'm like literally speeding right now to get to where I need to be. If you know what I'm saying, you know what I mean. But yeah, today is a big day, like legit. I told y'all, this channel is going to be lit, like legit. Like I told y'all I'm doing other things too. Like I'm over here trying to build my business, you know. As you can see from the title, you know. But yeah, yo. Today's gonna be something. I can't wait for y'all to see. I'm about to actually meet up with some people right now. And yeah. I should fix my watch. I don't know if y'all saw my watch, but it's hot. I didn't. It's too hot. It's too big. It's too hot. But yeah. Welcome back. I mean, I was trying to have y'all, watch my other videos reach 100, but this is not the actual banger that I wanted to put. But it's still a banger. So yeah, this video right here, I just wanted to throw up real quick, show y'all that I'm still here. I still appreciate those who support, those who watch those videos. I still need them to hit 100 though, 100 views. Like, come on, y'all could do it. It's not hard. Just just click it again if you want to watch it again. Share it. But yeah, like, come on now. Just watch them. They're not bad. Whenever you're free, whatever. If you're not doing anything, like, come on. Don't have anything else better to do. So this video I actually wanted to throw up real quick because to show y'all what I've been up to. It's cooling though. I'm cooling.
Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some
turn left onto River Street, then turn right onto Hyde Park Avenue.
My wrist they looking icy. Charging by the
They know it's dripping. Yeah. Yo, guys, look, it's a point. It's so high.
This thing is called
All his friends right now. Do you see this, bro? The gangs are here, yeah. The gangs are here, yeah. Yeah.
Open the door. Yeah. Hey. Yo, that ass. I'm starving.
Yeah, we out here, man.
Let me see it.
You know what I'm saying? We out here, man. You know what I'm talking about? Free parking, you dig? Free parking only. That's that hookup. When you riding nice, that's that hookup, you know? You know what I'm saying? We coolin' out here, B. Come on, gang. We out here. My dudes and slides. I didn't even peep.
Listen, nigga, this is how I dress regardless. I'm sick, but I want to be comfortable, but I just like this regardless.
Nah, it's behind us.
That's how it is. That shit looks
That's a John Hancock.
Y'all know I never really been around here.
You did. Oh, what's going on? Come on, Eric. This is all you, bro. This is you.
It's dippy, right?
Facts.
Or what? Think, bro.
Facts. Look at
It's
this.
actually dip, bro. What the hell?
Bro, oh, by the way, this is a clout god. Freshest Hispanic. This is mommy over here, you know. Booming. We all booming out here. We all booming out here. Alright, come on, guys. We up. I'm generally all set.
For real?
I got 2 for before.
Yeah, we gotta stay humble out here, though. You know, we gotta stay humble. Alright, yo. So it's actually the morning right now, and I look like a mess, I know. But yo, when I tell you, I was so excited, and like the whole day yesterday was just like yo. Like, yo. But yeah, nah, I actually just wanted to, like, real quick, you know, just throw in some cinematic shots. Like, just to show you this real quick, because this thing, like, when you feel German technology, like German engineering, it's completely different. Like this thing just has me sold, like legit, it has me sold. Like literally, I can actually see myself in this. Yo, just driving this too, just driving it, it's just like, yo. But yeah, just real quick, enjoy these shots real quick. Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed that because I enjoyed this. Yo, legit, I really don't know what to say. I genuinely do not know what to say. But yeah, I told y'all, like, big stuff, like good things are gonna be happening in this channel. Like, yeah, I'm just trying, you know, throw like entertaining content, but I also need y'all support though. Like, I need y'all to let me know. I need y'all to tell me what y'all want to see. Like, I have some ideas, and then I have my other friends that are like, you know, showing me or telling me things that would be good. I still have one more video. I have a video that I need to post, that I need to show y'all. And it'll be kind of funny. I mean, to be honest with you, I think it's funny. But yeah, like, just support, like, legit, like, subscribe, like this video, cause I mean, hey, like, come on, who doesn't like a Porsche? But yeah, like this video real quick. Share if you want. You should share it. You should share it though. You should. Yeah. Yeah, I hope y'all like this. Cause I'm about to enjoy this a little more today. You know? That'd be coolin' real quick. Coolin'. But yeah, I see y'all.